Good morning and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Phil and Knowlton, I'd like to welcome you all here to Soho Square.
Google Plus is a way of connecting everything on the web. That's the vision. So the sort of benefits that a pharma company that optimizes for digital could get, they're going to get a really good connection with their consumer. And I think that, and whoever the consumer is, whether that's the patient, the ultimate consumer, whether that's a consultant who's making the recommendation, digital is going to be more and more important in terms of making a connection with those people.
Are we here to help people make the right choices, the right treatment choices, the right choice of doctor? The value of digital for pharma and patients, and physicians as well, is huge. It's vital that people have access to the right information that is from trusted sources.
When is an app information? When is an app marketing? Or when is an app actually a medical device? The rewards for the companies within pharma, within health, that are engaging within mobile health now could potentially really pay off.
What mobile is doing is accelerating even more the growth of social networking. Consumers and patients are using online an average of 18 hours a week globally.
The media ecosystem is so convoluted. Who influences who? Media influencing advocates, influencing publics, influencing decision makers.
How can pharma companies really embed the internet and digital into what it is that they're doing? One of the inherent values of the web is its ability to create these broader networks. When a pharma company can demonstrate that it shares many of the interests of those patient organizations, then you can suddenly start seeing greater value and greater relevance.
They're very conscious of their social profile, and the doctors are much more visible these days on the internet than ever they were.
The pharmaceutical industry's target audiences are very sophisticated and active users of online resources, especially the doctors. The doctors are actively using the internet during consultations or in between consultations to go out and seek information.
1 in 5 people is actually an influencer, which is interesting. That means 1 in 5 people is living very actively online. The patient is becoming a lot more armed with information when they actually turn up to the physicians.
Social is basically the way we are as humans. Connected to that is the idea of locality and very, very locally relevant content, and that I think has huge implications on the likes of hospitals and GPs and catchment areas. And the third is mobile. It's the fastest growing technology we've ever seen. And what that's going to enable us to do is give a really tailored message. I think those three between them, social, local and mobile, should allow us to really develop marketing communications.
We really managed to put together a very good program, giving a very good insight to managing the digital media in a proper way, so that you really get a return on investment.
What's critically important that I think has been very adequately highlighted today is that an organization needs to decide which digital platforms or programs are appropriate for the need or the interest of the business, and hearing about the advantages and the caveats of each of those different options has been particularly important.